Today I'm going to share how to knit a twisted centered double decrease. So this is a double decrease, meaning you're decreasing away 2 stitches each time you do the decrease, and it's centered, meaning that you have the center column that stays on top of the decreases, and the stitches that you're decreasing away go behind this center stitch. So I'm going to work across the row, and then I'm going to be working the twisted centered double decrease around these 3 stitches here in the middle. I've reached the place in my work where I'm going to execute my decrease. So a lot of this decrease is reordering the orientation of the legs of the stitches to create the twisted centered double decrease. So we're going to start by slipping the first stitch purlwise, then we're going to slip the next stitch purlwise through the back loop. Now we're going to slip both of these stitches back onto the left hand needle, and then we're going to place the right hand needle through these stitches as if to knit 2 together, but we're not actually going to knit them. Now we place these stitches back onto the left hand needle in their new orientation, and we will knit the next 3 stitches together through the back loop. Now we've decreased 2 stitches away, and you have a twisted stitch for that top central stitch. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and if you'd like to see new videos, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching!